Hi everyone, welcome back to the shop. Hey, I just wanted to make a quick video on these hydraulic pumps. For those of you guys out there with these hydraulic pumps on your bike, the ones that raise up the bike, you know, the center stand. Just a little word of warning to you, a little word of advice. Do not ride the motorcycle up. Now, if you want to show off and show your girlfriend, who only weighs about as much as an anorexic moth, well, that's on you. But your big butt, you better not be riding it up and down, okay? Well, you can ride it down, but don't ride it up. What's going on, and I'm seeing quite a few of these going on, because I do rebuild these, so if you have broken yours, or if it's out of service and you want it to be worked on, I stock a lot of the parts for it. I don't stock all the parts for it because not all the parts are made for it anymore. They're getting harder and harder to come by. However, if you want me to work on it, just contact me through Kirk's Motorrad.com and I'll set you up and we can get the thing shipped here and I can rebuild it for you. But what happens here is this one right here, the customer sent this in to me because it had quit working, and the shaft was about halfway down and completely stuck in there, so only about that much of the shaft was showing outside of the body here, you know, where this cap goes on. And what happened is, I think the guy, in fact I can just say that I know the guy, rode the thing up, probably trying to impress his girlfriend or his wife or maybe his granddaughter or something, and this little shaft is all that's pushing it up, and you can see the problem right there in the video. It is bent. It is bent pretty bad, and I'll put a straight edge to it and you can see just how far off of this thing is. There is no way on God's green earth that this little piece of metal can withstand not only the weight of the bike, which is quite heavy, as you know, but then to pile on your butt on there and raise that thing up. The pump can handle that kind of abuse, but this little shaft cannot, and it will bend. And when it does, it binds up in this right here. Okay, this is the cap that goes on the end. There's this sleeve that's right inside here, and there's almost no give at all. It literally has no play. And then when the shaft is bent, it just jams up in there and gets stuck and causes damage on the shaft. It causes all kinds of issues. So I just want to say, save the pumps. Straddle the bike when you raise it up. Don't sit on the seat, and don't have somebody else sitting on that back seat either. If you've got a lot of luggage, or you got that top box completely filled up with stuff for your saddlebags, and there's a lot of weight in there, don't use the thing. Don't use it until you lighten it up a little bit. They just can't handle it. So just a quick video, word of advice, word of warning. And again, if you need yours to be serviced and you want me to do it, contact me through kirksmotorrad.com and I'll get you taken care of. Take care, guys. Have a good day.